Today, I'm going to show you 3 ways to do mental math that will help you multiply quickly. But first, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and don't forget to comment which of the 3 methods you like best. Let's get to the first tip, which is how to multiply by 11. Let's take an example, 34 times 11. How can we solve this quickly? First, let's separate the digits. You write down the 3 and the 4. And now, what do? You add the 2 together. 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4 equals 7. You put that in the middle. So that's the result. 34 times 11 equals 374. Let's do another example. 48 times 11. We separate the 4 and the 8 here. Now we add 4 plus 8, 12. So here you put the 2 and the 1 goes over here, carry the 1. So it becomes 528. 48 times 11 equals 528. This 1 had a carry over. Does this only work for 2 digits? Let's try it with 3. 253 times 11. Let's separate the numbers 2, 5, and 3 here. So now what do? We add here. 2 and 5, 7. So it's 2, 7, 5, and 3, 8. It's 8, 3. That's the result. 253 times 11 equals 2,783. Let's go to another example, 387 times 11. Let's separate the digits 3, 8, 7 here. Now let's add. Repeat the 3 here, 3 and 8, 11. Carry 1 here. So actually it's 4, 1, 8, and 7, 15. So here you repeat the 7, here it's 5, and the 1 comes over here, you carry 1 over because it's 15. So actually, what's the result? 4,257. So it also works with more digits. Here we found the result of 387 times 11. Now let's go to the second calculation tip. For example, 98 times 7. To make it easier, what can we do? We can use 100 as a base here to make the calculation easier. 98 is nothing more than 100 minus 2 times 7. Now it's easy for you to calculate mentally. 7 times 100 is 700, minus 7 times 2, 14. 686. Another example, 103 times 6. We can break it down like this, 100 plus 3 times 6, which will be 6 times 100, 600, plus 3 times 6, 18. So, 618. A quick way for you to find the result mentally. Now let's move on to the next one, which I find most interesting, the square of numbers ending in 5. For example, 35 squared. The formula is to take the number without the 5. This one here will be called n, so it will be n times n plus 1. The formula is to take the number without the 5. In this case, it's just the 3, which will be called n. So it's n times n plus 1, and you add 25 at the end. So if n is 3, it's 3 times 3 plus 1, 4. And you'll add the 25 at the end. 3 plus 4 is 3 times 4 is 12. And you add the 25 here. So 35 squared is 1,225. A quick way for you to do this calculation mentally. Let's do another example, 85 squared. It's 8 times 9, which is 72, and add the 25 at the end. See how quickly I got the answer. Now let's do 1 here, 125 squared. Is 12 times 13 and add the 25. So how much is 12 times 13? 2 times 3, 6. 3 times 1, 3. And here it's 12. 6, 3, and 2, 5, and here 1, 156. So it's 156 and add the 25 at the end. 15,625 is the square of 125. It's really quick to do this calculation. Let's do one more example, 95 squared. It's 9 times 10 and add 25 here. So it'll be 90, 25. That's the square of 95. This is the quick way we can do this calculation mentally. This last trick is my favorite. Let me know in the comments which one you liked best. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.